Hello everybody, this is Grant, your friendly neighborhood InstructLab community member. I wanted to create a quick video to show people who are using Linux, who may be using a version of Linux that doesn't offer all of the required dependencies for InstructLab to work. And I'm going to show you how to still work with InstructLab using a program on Linux called Distrobox. Now I am using Bazite, which is a respin of Fedora Silverblue. It's OS tree based distribution. I use it because it is developed mainly for gamers, and I do like to game on my Linux box. As you can see, I have a GeForce RTX 4090, but I like to do all of my InstructLab work inside of a container, and I'm going to show you how to set that up complete with Nvidia GPU acceleration. It is very easy to do. What Distrobox does is it creates a container and then passes through the Nvidia drivers and everything that you need to get started. So I'm going to say Distrobox, and if you don't have Distrobox installed, refer to your distribution's documentation on how to install Distrobox, and then you simply type in create, give it a name. I'm going to call this InstructLab, and then I am going to pass in an image. I want to run Fedora 39. And then I am going to also pass in a flag called Nvidia, and this will allow my GPU to be passed through to the container so I have full access to it. Once you do that, all you do is you hit enter, and it will download and the image, if you don't have it locally, and create a container for you. So to get inside this Fedora 39 box, all you do is type in Distrobox enter InstructLab, and the first time you do this, it will go through installing some of the required packages for you inside of that distribution. But once this is done, you will be inside of that Fedora 39 container, and you can use it just like you would a native Fedora 39 operating system. So at that point, you could then go through the process of using InstructLab using GPU acceleration, which I will pop up in a terminal real quick and show you where you can find that. If you go to github.com/InstructLab, let me make my font bigger for you, and you scroll down and go into the InstructLab project. If you keep scrolling down, there will be a GPU acceleration guide down here towards the bottom. Let me find it for you. Sorry if this is making you dizzy. I probably should have just Control F and search for it, but we'll get there. Here we go. See the GPU acceleration documentation. So once you click that, you will be able to follow this guide on the public GitHub repository and set up your environment the way that you want so that you can use GPU acceleration when you're doing the generate, the train, and the serve. And so this is almost done. You can see it's setting up my NVIDIA host integration. So now I am in my Fedora 39. So let's do a neo fetch here just to show that I don't have it. So let's install it just like you would in Fedora, because I am on Fedora now. You can see that it already has the Nvidia repo added for me. And let me just install NVTop, and then we'll see that it does indeed have GPU acceleration in this distribution running in the container. Okay, now that that's done, let's just run NVTop. Did I not install NVTop? No, I did neofetch. Okay, neofetch. We can show that we are indeed running Fedora Linux 39. Now let's do sudo dnf install NVTop. You'll actually do this later as part of the InstructLab documentation that I posted. So now we can run NVTop. You can see, sure enough, that it sees my device 0, the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4090. So that was pretty awesome. It is really easy to use Distrobox and to create a new Fedora 39 container in that so that you can get started with InstructLab. All right, kids, that's it for today. Thanks a lot.